Hi, this is Lydia. Welcome back. Let's take a moment to reset and refocus. Settle into a comfortable seated position. Gently move your neck, roll your shoulders, and begin just to release any tension that you feel in the body. Now is the time to soften and relax. Surrender to gravity. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's take a full, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Whatever your day has been like so far, busy, quiet, challenging, or smooth, just let it be a passing thought. There's no need to dive into it. Let them be in the background. And you come back to the breath, back to this moment. And now, let us practice a breathing exercise called box breathing. This can help you quickly reset your mind. Inhale through the nose for 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4. And let's repeat this cycle 3 more times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Slowly come back to natural breathing. And feel how in just a few seconds of practice, your body feels a little bit softer, your mind a bit more clear, and your energy refreshed. When you return to the present moment, you naturally feel clearer, calmer, and more at ease. Take a deep breath in here and a deep breath out. Now slowly open your eyes. And let us relax the eyes and release any strain. Without lifting your head, gently look up towards your eyebrows, and then down towards your chin. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And now side to side, gently move your eyes only from the left to right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Next, look at an object close to you. Then shift your gaze to something far away. Practice looking near and far, near and far, near and far, near and far. And lastly, blink your eyes a few times. Silently say to yourself, no matter what happens outside, I am calm and strong inside. Take one last refreshing breath in and let go fully. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Lydia. Come back here tonight for our 5 minutes evening meditation to end your day beautifully.